Yo, what's good? Good morning. Got my protein shake right here. I'm digging this new flavor for sure. Feeling good. Got a bike ride today. This is the plan. Looks like it's nice. Gonna check the weather. So I'm gonna have my shake, make some content for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. Let me know if you got any questions, comments, concerns. Put them in the chat. It's really gonna help me make more content for you guys. So that's what we're doing this morning. Feeling good. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, well, so what's good? We outside. I got my food here. Had my shake this morning. Feel a little bit better. Still not 100%, but I'm now with the mind frame of adding a little bit more probiotic food in, seeing how we've balanced out the amount of bad bacteria, just because I can just see the reactions of foods that were a couple days ago to the way they react to my body now. Still the reaction, but less reaction. So now I'm thinking, all right, let's start populating the good gut bacteria. We're gonna add in a little bit of onions. We're gonna add a little bit more beans, a little bit more things like that to slowly, not a ton, but to slowly feed this in. So I got quinoa on top of some arugula with some walnuts, some raisins, some red onions, and some peas. And we're gonna eat this, chop it up, make a ton of content today, and then go for that bike ride. All right, so right now it would be time for my shake, which I do have. But then I made a meal too, because the bowl I'm using is smaller. So I was like, oh, I kind of only had a small bowl because I was kind of working on my stomach, seeing what's going on. So I had this great idea. I was gonna have a protein shake and a salad at the same time because I'm hungry. So the plan is to eat this and then go for a bike ride. I just hope I got enough energy. So when you're hungry, when your body says you're hungry, you gotta eat. If it's good food, eat. So I got quinoa, onions, raisins, walnuts, broccoli, peas, oil, avocado oil, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. It's a good time. It's a good time. Yo, the sun is out. So it's time to hit those trails. I'm coming back. So I'm not really into racing mode today. I just want to kind of cruise down the path. Nice and warm outside. So I will timestamp it still. But I am not trying to break the hour record today. Just so we know before we get started. Okay? Okay. Alright. Here we are. The viaduct, the highway. Is where we go halfway. I'm gonna stamp it. I already have my sea salt, lemon, with water mixture, like electrolyte mixer. I'm good. So we about to head back, cruising, just cruising. I already saw the time, baby. You can call it coincidence, or you can call it consistency. Yo, we've been doing this bike ride thing twice a week. 4 weeks now. Check the time. I'll be back. Check the time. So now I think it's a good time to talk about how that was 4 minutes shy of the hour. I don't know if anyone is paying attention. I see people who see my story all the time. And if you're watching, like it says you're watching, you know that's 4 minutes shy. And you know this vegan athlete series. If you know me, right? I'm not trying to like look good. Like that's a part of it. I definitely want to look good. I'm trying to be able to jump off this right here, jump there, do a backflip, land right here. Okay, let's talk. So for the last 4 weeks, right, we're doing the phases. And I wanted to put this on my phone, just kind of post bike ride up and down, just like the stories. But it'll be a longer video, just to put some context with what I got going on. So for the last 4 weeks, starting on June 10th, right, we've been doing the Vegan Athlete Series. And it's exciting because today, Wednesday, marks 8 weeks of being a vegan, okay? And we're moving right along. I feel great. I've progressed like I would normally progress in my bulking, leaning phases, but even better this time because my energy is through the roof, my sleeping habits are better, my digestive system is better. The knowledge that I have overall is better. And I can see that indefinitely with the time, like 10 years plus of actually working out, and then the time, 2 years plus of actually looking at nutrition and stuff like that has helped. But I can tell there's a dramatic difference from when I was growing and getting bigger without this particular OPT model and without this particular diet. So what I say is I'm excited so far on these 8 weeks. These are the best 8 weeks I've ever had when it comes to overall progress, right? I've definitely gotten bigger in a shorter amount of time, or bigger in this 4-week period before, but I wasn't functional, right? And we're going on functionality, trying to we're rehabbing injuries and just getting better. So I say all that to say, I started this bike ride out going an hour, and I was pushing it, hauling ass, an hour, 15 miles and back is the distance. And today, I wanted to go on a cruise. I felt good, the weather was nice. I'm gonna ride, but I'm gonna not be in a race. I'm not gonna be in a rush. And so on the way back, I'm not gonna lie, I kicked it up a little bit just because I felt good. There wasn't any resistance. I felt good. I can push it. I wasn't breathing too heavy. And I knew I was gonna be under. When I checked that halfway mark and it was 30 minutes, I knew it was gonna be under because I cruised on the way there. And so I'm 4 minutes shy. 4 minutes, guys. That's 4 whole minutes. Hour, 1 minute above, 4 minutes below. On a cruise. If you're not watching the Vegan Athlete series, if you're not liked, if you haven't liked, if you're not subscribed, you get in tune. I'm not guessing, right? We're not guessing, oh, what's the best diet? Oh, what's the thing? I'm not touting anything to be the best. I'm just showing you my progress. Over the last, I've been on the internet for years, right? And you can see what I was eating, the standard American diet to more of a animal-based diet and then more vegetables. And you can see the progression. You can see my physical progression over the years if you just watch my videos. And when I'm telling you this progress in the first 4 weeks of this Vegan Athlete series is faster, more efficient, better than any series in my entire career when it comes to lifting, I'm not even joking a little bit. But it's early. Give me another 4 weeks. We're gonna finish this phase strong. We're gonna take a couple days off so I can really show you guys the nitty gritty, what we're doing behind the scenes, the foam rolling, the preparation, everything as much as I can in detail. And then we're gonna pop back on to phase 2, week 1, day 1 when it comes here. So thank you guys for watching. You know we're going to get some food in us. You know we're going to get hydrated. We're vegan athlete, not vegan bodybuilder, vegan athlete series. Athletes can adapt to any situation, any function. So that's it. I'm out. Peace. So I have my 3rd salad today, right? It's definitely the smaller bowl, but just easing back into more like probiotic rich foods and these big salads. I'm feeling good. The progression is good. Came back from my bike ride. Haven't eaten any food since. Just made sure to get some water in. And now I'm on my, like I said, 3rd meal. I am hungry. I got some beans in here this time that was cooking throughout the day. Those onions, red quinoa, raisins, walnuts, broccoli, and peas. So the beans is the addition that I've added. And like I'm hungry. I most likely will have a protein shake after this. Throw some oil in there. It's really good. I'm really hungry. I'm feeling gains. I'm feeling good. So like I said, I hope you guys have subscribed. Ask your questions in the comments below. How anything works. From macronutrients to micronutrients, from foam rolling and warming up to lifting heavy and cardio, whatever you guys want to know. I want to have this channel be a documentation of what I'm doing so that it sparks an idea in your brain, like, oh, and I want to look more into it, or maybe I'm more into the vegan diet, I'm looking more into salads. Whatever I can get to interest you by just showing you what I'm doing every day, that's the move. So I'm excited, I'm fired up, I'm hungry, I'm definitely hungry. I'm gonna finish this food. I'll show you if we got anything else, but if not, this will be it. Only time will tell. All right, so a couple of things. One, I got another salad. And this one's a little overkill, I'm not gonna lie. When I was done eating it, I was definitely still hungry, wanted food. But I should have waited a little longer. Until now, this is right when I'm starting to eat this one. I'm not that hungry anymore. You gotta let your body consume and then digest the food. So then the hormones can release from your body and be like, hey, we're not hungry anymore. We are full. Stop eating. And I made a protein shake. So I'm probably not gonna finish both of these things, but I might. So I'll keep you posted. But these gains ain't gonna make themselves. All right, well, time to eat again. All right, so I'm gonna stop hitting you guys with this soprano ending. and actually say I'm done. So I didn't drink that protein shake. I did, however, finish the salad, and I might go eat the protein shake. I might go drink it. But I don't know, I'm making some content. I do plan on fasting tomorrow. If my body wants to, it usually wants to. After a lot of working out, the rest days I usually don't want to do anything at all. So we'll see how I feel tomorrow, but that's one of the reasons for eating a lot of food today too. Just so that when I'm fasting tomorrow, I have nutrients in my body that I can utilize during my fast to repair and replenish the muscle and metabolize the things that need to be metabolized. So I'm making content. I'm on day 13. Today is actually day 24. Today is 24 and I'm on 13, so I'm a little behind. But we're gonna get it done, for sure. We're getting it done. We're staying ahead of it as far as keeping them recorded. And I just gotta do the hard part and edit it. So that's it. I appreciate you guys for watching these videos. It's not clear because it's a little dark outside today. That's it. I'm watching these videos and like a shit on my face. I got like stuff in my teeth. Just keeping it real natural, real raw. So you guys be great. And I will see you in the morning. And we'll talk about something. But I'll see you in the morning. Alright? Alright. Peace. So I actually did end up having this protein shake. Or not did, I'm about to, because I want to. I want to eat more. I'm getting bigger. I'm becoming an athlete. I'm becoming an athlete. I'm excelling in my athleticism. So I want to be stronger. So I'm going to drink it. So I'm going to let you guys know what's going on. But now we're done.